Dear brothers and sisters, now is the 5th day of Hajj, 12th of Dhul Hijjah. Your Hajj is almost coming to the end. What do you have to do today? Similar activity that you did yesterday. That after Salatul Zuhr or the time which is assigned to your group to do the stoning to the shaitan. You go at that time and you stone the small shaitan first, then you stone the middle shaitan, and after the small and the middle shaitan you can make the dua, and then you go to the third, the biggest shaitan, and then you do not make the dua there, and then you come back to your tent and you read Quran, you read Islamic books, you help your other Hajis, whatever the knowledge that you have, you teach them, because that will be your sadqa jariyah. These days or the last day could be, and if you are not staying on 13th of Dhul Hijjah, then you must leave Mina before Maghrib. Right after Asr, you can leave and go to Makkah and perform Tawaf al-Wida if you are leaving for the airport. So today, your activity is just stoning the 3 shaitan, and if you are not going to stay on 13th, then you must leave Mina before the Maghrib. This is very important. May Allah bless you and accept your activities. Thank you.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.